Hi, welcome to the StudyBlue computer tutorial. This is part 1, Setting Up an Account. I'd like for you to open up your web browser and go to studyblue.com/teachers, and notice that is a plural S. And this is the teacher homepage for StudyBlue. If you'll come down here towards the bottom, this is usual. Just go ahead and type in your first and last name, your email address that you would like to use, and your password twice. And if you've read and agreed to the terms of use, click that. And then you can click Submit. And remember, you can pause this anytime you want. That's one of the reasons I love having video tutorials, because that way I can pause it and rewind it anytime I need to. Okay, this is the page that comes up next. So you have your name here. On the school name, you should be able just to start typing Tuttle in. And you should find Tuttle Public School. Now notice it says high school. That is because really there is, legally, they don't want children under 13 on StudyBlue without a parent, so all the schools are registered as high school, but I know all of your teachers, you're all going to be using them, and any of your students, I have no doubt, especially those that are under 13, would be having a parent help them with it. On your class, now this is where you are going to start entering a class. If I were to enter biology, you could see high school biology or high school biology foster. And if your class is not in there, let's say you're in kindergarten, you're a kindergarten teacher, then if you're not a Williams, then you can go ahead and click on that, and then you would add your name as the teacher or professor. If your class is not found, say if you were 5th grade or 6th grade, then you could click on class not found and then just add your class. I have the second grade up, the 6th grade, high school biology, kindergarten, or just slide down to add new. And then you would enter your name and click add. I am going to go ahead and choose, I'm going to go ahead and add my anatomy class. And my last name is Foster. This is how other teachers can find you, and also how your students can find you so they can have access to what they need. Now, this is available as an Android app and as an Apple app for the iPad and the iPhone, but right now we're just going to click No App for Me. Also, of course, you can share it and you can tweet it, but right now let's go ahead and go to Skip and Study. So this is the backpack. This is kind of your home page. And you will be able to add classes here, make your flashcards here. But right now I just want to go ahead and slide up to the top. And click on the little person. Go to Profile. Profile is where you need to double check that all your information is correct. You will need to verify your email. And double check that your user type is teacher. This is where you'd want to make sure that your students, those that are over 13, would type in student. This is where you would change your password. You can add more information about yourself, or you can also delete your account here. Go ahead and come back up. Go into Preferences. And this is where you can choose what preferences you want for privacy settings. The address is actually the school address, not your home address. The phone number likewise. This pretty much concludes setting up your account. Now, to be able to make flashcards and classes and to have join classes, if you will go ahead and go to the blogspot, dfosterteacher.blogspot.com. and go to the computer tutorial, part 2 for StudyBlue. Thank you.